How to change phone number in Amazon account. So if you want to change your phone number in your Amazon account, then first of all you have to open up your Amazon application. Now after opening your Amazon account and after logging in, you have to go to the bottom right corner which has the 3-barred icon. And now on the bottom you will have an account option. On the bottom left side you can simply tap on your account. And now you have to scroll down and you will find account settings, and under account settings you have to tap on the first option which says login and security. So now you have to enter the verification code which Amazon has sent to your email address. And after entering the code, tap on submit code. So now you will have your personal details here like your name, email, your primary mobile number, your password, your two-step verification and all of that. So if you want to change your number, then you will have an option which says mobile number, and under mobile number on the right side you will have edit option. Simply tap on edit, and now you can simply delete your old mobile number. And here on the blank you have to enter your new mobile number, and then you can tap on continue and your mobile number will be changed. So that's it. That's the way to change your mobile number on your Amazon account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.